Hello and welcome back, all. Here at the final episode of the Fate Decide series, or whatever we want to call it. Today we are going down Mesa Connector, and then we're going to go up to the main hub area and probably go on the Telegraph connector around Meadow Loop. Otherwise, that'll put us right up at the, so we're headed up to here, which is the main hub. Otherwise, we could do the downhills. But I plan on doing the Telegraph connector and then going up this way a little bit. Awesome. Thank you. We will see you on the trails. Okay. Down Mesa Connector. It's one that we did a bunch last season. First time doing it this season though. No more dice to roll, no more coins to flip, just the last trail. Now I gotta find something else to do. This trail's not nearly as steep as I remember it being. Funny what can change in just a season. Ooh, pretty purple flowers. Say that 3 times fast. All right, Meadow Hub. That was a lot easier to do this year than it was last year. It's always worth the view up here. Telegraph connector. This one's a fun little trail, but there is a lot of two-way traffic on it. And so it's one that I usually like to pay attention to. All these trails are smaller than I remember. So, as compared to our first season last season, everything is kind of miniaturized. It's funny.
bunny?
No, I didn't. I wasn't paying.
We're following it. We're cool.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. You're doing good. That was a little loose. That was less of a berm than I remember. It flattened out. That's your chance to gain speed. Nothing. I meant effortlessly without risk. Or as much or something. I don't know. I like this trail though, it is fun. I had it until I didn't. Hello, hello. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you. I fell.
Oh.
I hit a loose spot. I need to fix my seat.
You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm good. I was just gonna go off the course, so I ditched my bike because I couldn't make the turn. I went over something and I couldn't slow down in time. Yeah, I got really off there.
Yeah, it's bending. Yeah.
Easy as pie. Although pie's kind of difficult.
I was gonna say, pie crust and you got the filling, you gotta go bake it properly. Maybe they mean easy as eating pie.
That would make sense. Cool. I think I'm fixed, at least for now. All right, starting in on Meadow Loop. Oh, okay. Right goes on Stacy's and Mike's. And then takes us back up to Cochillo, which we did a couple of times ago. Yeah, I think we're just gonna stay on Meadow the whole way. Mostly. I can't ever say that, because there's always uphill. Like, you lied. You said there was no more uphill. Pretty sure she knew this way. Cool. These trails are a little faster than I remember. I do like this one though, it is fun. It's a little bit looser than I remember, but we haven't had any rain in a long time. So it is much needed and much wanted. And now we're back onto the section that you guys saw. All right, I took you guys to the left last time. Now I'm finishing off Meadow Loop this time. I almost had too much speed. Well, and you guys have seen this, so unless anything fun or cool happens, thank you for watching, and you all have a wonderful day. See you next time. There we go. Ah, sorry, lizard. I didn't see you.